And tonight, as we reach this incredible moment together, it feels like we've achieved something truly special. This year is when I embraced my authentic self. I stopped trying to conform and started focusing on what it truly means to be Miss Universe Philippines. And to become that was a responsibility I didn't take lightly. Its success is not mine to celebrate alone though. To my family, my mom, my dad, my mamita, and to my siblings who have inspired me more ways than I can count, thank you for showing me how to perceive life. To my core, Dave Kimbao, Melly Seboy, Harry Hartman, Ian Mendahar, Kenneth Ramil, Carl Joso, Joy Marcelo, Ryuji Shiomitsu, Mama Elmo, Mama Roger, ASP Philippines, GMA7, my digital team Personify, and of course to my best friends who are watching here with us tonight. Thank you for enduring all of those sleepless nights, picking me up whenever I fall down, and even traveling halfway across the world for me. To Mark Baumgartner, Michael Barassi, and the teams behind them, thank you on behalf of our country. Your designs will forever be cemented in our history books and also forever tattooed in my heart. But of course, to my home for the last 2 years, thank you for trusting and believing in me. Sir Jonas, you are a true creative visionary. But beyond that, I've come to truly understand why we all call you Mama J. Of course, to you, Sir V, for the last 8 years, you've seen my potential and your belief in me has never faded. And to the rest of my Miss Universe Philippines family, Eljon and Derek most especially, thank you for allowing me to share our stories and our triumphs through my eyes. This may be the end of my reign, but this is the start of a beautiful chapter ahead. To the next queen, my best advice is to move and live with purpose. Be certain of who you are and why you are here. The crown will always be a symbol of triumph, but win or lose, it's the lives that you touch that will really make a difference. And finally, to my supporters and fellow Filipinos, together we have showcased the true power of our Bayanihan spirit. Thank you for seeing the potential in me and for rallying behind me when it mattered the most. This is our collective success. This is the country we are proud to call our home, and we will always be proud to call ourselves Pinoy. Maraming salamat. Filipinas, I am, for the last time, Michelle Marquez D, signing on.